Hi, I'm Max from AC Solar Warehouse. I'm going to be showing you how to reconnect your Sigenergy system back to the Wi-Fi. You'll notice that your system has disconnected if you have a message displaying offline and you can no longer monitor data. A few of the reasons why you may lose your connection is due to changing your Wi-Fi password, getting a new service provider, or buying a new modem. The first step is to find the device's serial number and then follow these steps.
Open the My Sigen app, select Device from the menu at the bottom, copy the Sigenstore serial number at the top left corner of the screen. Note, disregard the 3 letters at the beginning of the serial number as these aren't needed for when you copy it back. Next, we can use this serial number to manually connect to the hotspot of the Sigenstore and change the network settings. Navigate to Settings from the menu at the bottom of the Sigen app. Once you're in the system settings, go down to Setting Tools and then Local Connection. This will open up your camera so then you can scan your QR code. However, we want to manually enter our serial number down below. Paste your serial number down below or enter it manually if you have it written down. A list of available Wi-Fi networks should appear once you're connected to the device hotspot. Select your home Wi-Fi network out of the list of available networks and enter the password. After successful connection, there should be a green tick next to that network. Select Finished, wait a little bit, and you should return to the app home screen and see you monitoring data again.
Thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful.